I take the time to ensure that the customer's got a full understanding of what they're buying. I'm not just going to walk through the door and give them a price and walk away and ring them up 2 days later and say, you're ready to go. We'll have a look at the roof area, we'll have a look at their house, we'll have a look at what their power consumption is, we'll have a look at the meter box and make sure there's enough room for any, if there's any additional work that needs to be done, we make sure that the customer's aware of that. We do a turnkey operation. The quote I give is a full quote. There's no hidden surprises there, and that's where my word of mouth things come on. People are happy with the product, they're happy with the service, they're happy with the after sales service. Trust and confidence comes while doing what you say you're going to do. So if I say I'm going to do something to customers or with customers or for them, then that's what happens. And again, it's the faith and the confidence I have in the products that I'm selling, and that, inevitably that shows through with me when I talk to people about the product. I've survived for 10 years selling quality products. I'm sure that if I was selling the cheap stuff, I wouldn't be in business. Quality workmanship, and again, customer service are the two things that I'm really focused on, to be able to give people what they want, explain to them what we're selling them or what we're offering, and letting them make the decision as to what it is that they eventually want put on their roof. Customer service, pricing isn't that critical, but people want the quality. So if we can offer quality at a reasonable price and have the customer service as well, then that speaks in volumes.